What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. Day number 2 of going to the same thrift store every day, 5 days in a row, because they're closed on Sundays. So we're doing 5 days, and we're gonna see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. It's just a little bit later in the day also, so hopefully we got more stuff on the shelves. Let's do it. All right, I'm in like the I don't even know what section this is. I'm never in this section. It's like, I don't even know. What, tablecloths? I don't know. But right down here, look at this SpongeBob mask for $9.99. This thing is huge. It's actually Nickelodeon branded, which I'm surprised about. This is wild. I wonder how much value this thing has. I would put it on my head because it would make for a cool thumbnail, but I bet you it's very dirty and I don't want to put my face in there. So I'm going to leave it, but dang, it's cool. I might look it up first. Here is somebody selling it for 15 bucks plus shipping. So yeah, it's not worth that much, but it is so wild. I've never seen one that big before. I've been scanning through all the board games. I'm almost at the very, very end, but I wanted to show off the cart a little. How did this get in there? All right. So I wanted to show you guys everything that we got that's pretty good. We have this chess light game right here. It's like an electronic chess set. I have really good luck with electronic chess sets. This one is no exception. That one's really good. A brand new sealed Guess Who high school reunion. This one's kind of expensive. Let's see. Yeah, $8, but still make some pretty decent money on that. I got 2 games of Catan right here. I'm restricted on Amazon for this, but they're only $1.90. Oh, this one's $4. The other one's $1.99, so pretty cheap. I figured I'd just grab them. I could probably sell them on eBay for 25, 30 bucks. These, I have really, really good luck with these. I've been selling these for a decade now. These little latch hook kits. I always pick them up when they're cheap enough, and this is $3. Yellow's actually 25% off here, so it's just under $3. Not bad. I'll take it. This is kind of cool. A Disney bingo set. It sounds like there's a lot of pieces in here. I think, yeah. It says 150 bingo chips, so what are the odds they're all in there? Maybe I'll cut open the box. They tape every box here, so I'd have to cut it open and see if it's in here first, all the pieces, before I go home with it. Again, it's under $3, so not too bad. I threw this in the car. I couldn't find this on eBay or Amazon. It's $4. It's a brand new sealed. Uh-oh, did I just break it? Nope. Oh, I did. No. I just dropped it and completely cracked the bottom. So I'm just gonna leave it up here. Somebody else might want that, not me. We have this Simon game right here, brand new in package for $5.99. I'll make a few bucks on it. I'll grab it. I always have luck with crossovers, and this Star Wars Operation is pretty good. I've sold this a couple times already in the past few months, so I always pick them up and they sell fast. Another good example of that is this crossover, Frozen Trouble. Anything Frozen 2 doesn't do well, but the original Frozen seems to do really well for me, whether it be Monopoly, Trouble, Clue, anything like that does really well. I'm kind of on the fence with this. It is 25% off, so it's only 15 bucks. You guys can see the price. I think I'll make about $10 on it. I don't really like spending 10 to make 15, but it's a fast seller, so I might just grab it. I then, for $5.99, found a huge bag of My Little Ponies.
My little pony, let's get rainbow fun. Magical friendship creates rainbow pony fun.
I figured at $6, we'll just take the gamble, and who knows what's in here? Maybe some good profit ponies. I looked up from my cart when I was talking about the ponies, and I saw this. My Little Oh, it's new. The box is just really damaged. I wonder if this is worth anything. I've never seen this pony game before. Let's scan it in. Oh, the barcode is covered, but it looks to be the same barcode. So I'm going to try scanning this in and see if it has any value. What are they asking for it? $3? That's not bad. All right, I have my Amazon app pulled up. We're going to hit the barcode scanner, scan that barcode, and all right, here it is. Okay. Nobody's selling it new. Even though mine's new with a damaged box, I'd have to sell it used, so that's no big deal. Still selling used for 45 bucks. There's only one person on the listing, so maybe a bit cheaper than that, but I'll take the gamble. Why not? It's only $3. Hey guys, just want to pop in here quick. This video is actually not sponsored by Whatnot, but I had my first Whatnot stream, and I had a really good time. Sold a lot of stuff, offloaded a lot of inventory. And as you guys can see behind me, this is a video that I'm working on right now. I just bought out a whole bunch of comic books. That video is going to be crazy. But I am going to be selling again tomorrow, Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Whatnot. Going to be offloading a few of these. I got a lot of video games. I got a lot of toys. I got a lot of things like that. I had so much fun last time. I want to do it again. Talk to some of you guys in the comments. So check down below in the description. The link to sign up is right there. You do get $15 free to spend on the show. Maybe you get yourself some free comics, some free toys, some free video games. I have a lot of stuff, and I sold for 4 hours straight last week. It was insane. I don't think I'm going to stream that long this time, but it's going to be a while. So again, check out the link down below. Sign up if you're not already on Whatnot. You do get $15 free. And if you already are a member, you can check out my show linked below, bookmark it, go check it out. Hope to see you there. All right, I noticed this right here, this Guess in 10 Marvel. And I've actually sold this a couple times, I think in the past 2 months now. And it's only $1.99. There's not a lot of pieces in here, so that's really good. We'll stick it in the cart and I'll show you. Right here, selling with an amazing rank, 607 in toys, meaning it'll sell within a day for 18 bucks. So minus my $2, I'm making about $9 on it. That's easy. It's a shame this is so damaged. Take a look at this Pokemon skateboard from 1998. Pikachu on there. It is water damaged. They wrote in Sharpie on it. It is all scratched up. But yeah, it's completely destroyed. It's a shame. That's really cool. I would have grabbed it if it was in better shape. One thing I don't like about this thrift store is they put all the cords for the consoles in bags and sell them separately. So $7.99 is not a terrible price, but they sell the console without all these cords. At least I'm pretty sure they do, because whenever they have consoles for sale, they never have the cords. And then you go look in the baggie section, and then they're charging extra for the cords. So I don't love that. $8 isn't terrible, but you know, it is what it is. I just don't buy them. I already have a lot of cords. Luckily, I don't need any. Then I'm looking up here at these remotes, and loose remotes for TVs and things like that, $5 each. That one's only $4, but $5, that seems high. I don't know. What do we have over here? We have a Bluetooth nano adapter. This might be worth something. It's $6 though. Prices are a little high over here right now, but let's see if this is worth anything. All right, so the nano adapter at $6. Here it is selling for $9. So it's a little bit of a discount, not much. So they have what looks like an unlimited amount of clothing here, and they do. They have a lot of stuff, and there's a big reason for this. The prices. I just started flipping through, and we got 10, a Nautica for 13, a kids basketball thing from a high school, 13, $8, $10, $15 for what is that? Just an Adidas like athletic shirt. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was only $6. All right. Another 10, 8, 8. Lots of 8s right here. But man, 13. It looks like 8 is kind of the lowest, which there used to be. Oh, there we go. There's a 6 randomly. But there used to be a bunch of $1.99, $2.99, $3.99s in here, which was great because you could find great stuff for great prices. But there's Vineyard Vines. That's got to be expensive. Let's see. 10. It's high. It's not crazy, but it's high. Yeah, you can't really find anything under the 8 anymore, which is a shame. And they have hundreds, not hundreds, thousands of pieces of clothing here. It's absolutely wild. You would think that the prices would come down a bit so they can move some. Oh, you could barely even get in here. Here's Nua tags. This has to be expensive. 13. It's actually not terrible. It's a nice piece of clothing, but it's a size small, so too small. North Face, 10. Yeah. All right, still checking out the clothing, and I saw this Muppet sock set right here, brand new for 99 cents. and I had a barcode, so I scanned it in on Amazon, and I'm restricted in the brand BioWorld on Amazon. So I figured I'd check eBay, having no idea what I'd find. And here they are selling for $20 with 21 sold. And 2 people have it in their cart. So if I just undercut by $1, I should get about an $18, $19 sale. That's pretty awesome. I'm grabbing them. I just found another one of those giant helmet mask things for $5.99. A big Wonder Woman. These things are so wild.